The budget phone we have all been waiting for. Meet the CMF Phone 1. Guys, in the next few minutes, I'm going to talk about how the CMF Phone 1 is going to disrupt the entire budget segment. So this video will be divided into 3 sections, जहाँ हर section एक important सवाल का जवाब देगा. Number 1, what does it has to offer? इस segment में हम phone के specifications के बारे में बात करेंगे. Number 2, is it value for money? In this segment, we will compare its price to performance ratio and finally, should you buy it? जहाँ I will talk about कि ये phone worth buying है या नहीं. And for all those who are willing to stick around till the end, there is a bonus video waiting for you guys, जिसका link मैं आपको वीडियो के end में दूंगा. So with all that, let's jump straight to what does it has to offer. दोस्तों, आप सभी को पता है आज के टाइम में 15,000 के नीचे आपको या तो डिस्प्ले अच्छा मिलता है, या तो कैमरा, या तो परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा मिलता है, या तो बैटरी. बट ये सब एक ही फोन में मिलना has become next to impossible. Well, not anymore. The CMF Phone 1 comes with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 2000 nits. ये डिस्प्ले अपने में ही बेस्ट इन सेगमेंट है, लेकिन नॉट जस्ट दैट, इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ डुअल कैम सिस्टम जो एक्चुअली डिसेंट फोटोज लेता है. Technically, it's a single 50 megapixel lens along with a depth sensor, but even with a single camera, it is able to compete with its rivals जो 3 कैमरास लेके घूम रहे हैं. It even shoots 4K videos from the back with decent stabilization, even though इसमें कोई भी OIS देखने को नहीं मिलता. All this just goes to show that how much the software can affect a smartphone. But guess what? It's not just the cameras. Even the 5000 mAh battery will easily last you 1.5 to 2 days because of its minimal software. And finally, performance की भी बात करें तो it's on par with all the other smartphones in its category. It has the Dimensity 7300 जो faster है Snapdragon 695 से and scores 6,34,000 के around, which is again one of the best in this entire segment. So as you can see that अभी तक चारों main categories, which is display, camera, battery and performance, the phone is doing great. But what about the software? क्योंकि अगर software stable and optimized ना हो तो आपका daily experience ही satisfactory नहीं होगा. Well, it's a good news once again. The CMF Phone 1 comes with Nothing OS 2.6 जो based है Android 14 पे. Guys, trust me when I say this, having the Nothing OS at a price of 15,000 is a blessing for you and me. This is hands down the best software experience that you can get at this price. Nothing even comes close. Know what I mean? And to top it off, you will get Android updates up to Android 16 and security updates up to 2027. So now can you see the trend? चारों main categories तो top notch हैं ही, लेकिन साथ ही यहाँ हमें फोन का कोर यानी कि सॉफ्टवेयर भी well optimized and stable देखने को मिल रहा है. Which then takes us to the next question, that is it value for money? Well, पिछले सेक्शन में आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि ये फोन वैल्यू फॉर मनी है या नहीं. बट इस सवाल का जवाब हमें बेटर पता चलेगा आफ्टर टेकिंग अ लुक एट सम ऑफ इट्स कॉन्स. यस गाइस, जस्ट लाइक एवरी ग्रेट थिंग हैज अ डार्क साइड एज वेल, ठीक उसी तरह कुछ चीजें हैं जो मुझे यहाँ मिसिंग लगी. नंबर 1, नो अल्ट्रा वाइड लेंस. Yes, for some reason CMF has skipped an ultra wide lens on its first series of smartphones. The single 50 megapixel lens is doing okay on its own, but still ultra wide lens तो देना ही चाहिए था. Number 2, no charger in the box. I know brands these days are skipping charger from their boxes, but for someone who is looking to buy a smartphone under rupees 20,000, that extra 1.5 to 2,000 जिससे वो एक चार्जर लेगा actually matters a lot. So इस प्राइस पे तो बॉक्स के अंदर चार्जर देना ही चाहिए था, but it's absent. But that's it guys. These are the only 2 main cons जो मुझे फिलहाल फील हुए हैं. But remember that this is just my initial impressions, so it might have missed some minor flaws, which I will be covering in detail जब मैं इसका detailed review लेके आऊँगा. But one thing that you should know about this channel is that my reviews are a little different from others. You see, other YouTubers आपको अपना personal review देते हैं, but इस channel पे I do things a little differently. My reviews are based on multiple sources that comes from Amazon and Flipkart customer reviews, brands community pages and other customer based sources, which in my opinion makes my videos unique क्योंकि यहाँ आपको 250 से भी ज्यादा एक्टिव कस्टमर्स का ओपिनियन मिलता है ऑफ द स्मार्टफोन, जो कि एक ज्यादा एक्यूरेट सोर्स है प्रैक्टिकल रिव्यूज का इन कंपैरिजन टू जब कोई सिंगल आदमी अपना रिव्यू दे. So if you want to save your time जो आप खुद पर्सनली रिव्यूज पढ़ने में लगाएंगे, then you can subscribe to ThinkTech क्योंकि यहाँ मैं आपको उन्हीं 200 से भी ऊपर रिव्यूज को कंपाइल करके कम से कम टाइम में समझाता हूँ आफ्टर मल्टीपल डेज ऑफ एनालिसिस एंड रिसर्च. So now to answer the question, is it value for money? Well, my answer to this is a yes and no. Why am I saying this? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं और मैं आपको वहीं बताता हूँ. So guys, as you saw that 15,000 के प्राइस पॉइंट पे ये जो फीचर्स लेके आ रहा है, that is simply game changing. But the reason that I cannot clearly say that ये अपने प्राइस पॉइंट पे बेस्ट वैल्यू फॉर मनी है या नहीं is because of the recently launched Moto G85, जो सिमिलर प्राइस पॉइंट पे ही लॉन्च हुआ है. देयर इज नो डाउट दैट अगर आपको इस प्राइस पे बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए तो फिर आप आंख बंद करके CMF Phone 1 ले लो, क्योंकि द 6s Gen 3 फाउंड ऑन द G85 इज क्लियरली अ वीकर प्रोसेसर. But if your main focus is going to be camera, तो आप थोड़ा रुक जाओ, क्योंकि I feel that the camera on the G85 is going to be a little better than the Phone 1. Just give me a few days, क्योंकि by the time this video is uploaded, I will already be working on the G85 video. So wait for that, क्योंकि उस वीडियो में मैं G85 के साथ CMF Phone 1 को साइड बाय साइड कंपेयर करता जाऊंगा, and with that video everything will be crystal clear for you that which phone should you buy. Just know that performance and software के मामले में CMF Phone 1 is already a clear winner. So to answer the question, if you want to do gaming and software stability is your top priority, then the CMF Phone 1 is the best option that you have, no doubts about it. But if design and cameras are your first priority, then you should wait for the G85 video. Wahan, as I said, everything will be crystal clear. So subscribe right now if you wish to see that video. And अगर आप अभी नया फोन लेने का प्लान नहीं भी कर रहे हैं, I would still suggest you to subscribe. Because जब आप फाइनली नया फोन लेने का सोचेंगे तो आपको मेरे चैनल पे वो सारे रिव्यूज मिल जाएंगे जिन्हें मैं 250 से भी ऊपर कस्टमर्स के पर्सनल फीडबैक के बेसिस पे बनाऊंगा. And it will be the most wholesome review out there on YouTube. As I have already mentioned, my way of review. Also, if you have any questions related to any smartphone, follow me on Insta and DM me with your question. मैं personally आपको reply करूंगा. Lastly, अगर आपका budget है around 25,000 and you are looking for a new smartphone, then watch this video of the Nothing Phone 2a, which I have made after analyzing 450 plus customer feedbacks from various sources, and it might be your next smartphone. So click on it now and I will see you there. Bye.